Hello, it's Richard here! We are! Ooh, hello. Sorry, that's all about. 200 Red Bulls this morning. Sugar free, I might add. Got to look after your teeth and your heart. Anyway, so this lump of wood. Remember this from about 3 days ago? Hello. TE-52. I put it on the scale, 4.1 kilos. What's that? 8.5 pounds? Yeah. Bit of a monster, isn't it? But we know this about this particular guitar. We know this. I've got a Vox AV15 amplifier. This is on the clean channel with nothing on. Volume's about halfway up. Let's use a different pick. This is a Fender medium. This is a Fender heavy. Let's go medium. Pickups are responsive enough in terms of, let's go gentle. We'll dig in. It's on the neck. Guitar rings out well. The gain is on midday, it's on 12, as is the treble, as is the bass, as is the middle. Tone knob all the way off. About a third of the way up. 3/4. All the way up. It's a little bit on or off. Yeah, a little bit on or off. Not the worst I've had, but not great. Middle positione. So then neck for a second, just one chord. Bridge. Let's have a quick listen for the volume drop between the neck. Bridge. It's alright actually, isn't it? Where are the pickup heights? Neck pickups, not low, not high, somewhere in the middle. Bridge pickup, yeah, they're quite evenly heighted. Heighted, is that even a word? Bam, bam. this isn't really the kind of guitar for it, but I just wanted to say that a few minutes ago I had the amp on the overdrive channel, and turned it up a little bit, and the pickups didn't deal with that at all well. Massive amount of feedback. But this is a little, I can hear it buzzing away a bit now. Buzz, 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 buzz. Yeah, and yeah, it just didn't deal with the overdrive very well at all. Now my Squier Classic Vibe, which is also single coils, I know there's a different guitar, I get it, that's a Classic Vibe Strat, but yeah, you still got, obviously got your 60 cycle hum or whatever, buzzy, wasn't that bad, but you could put the overdrive channel on and still kind of get away with it really for a single coil. Not so this. So I would say, or certainly my experience with my amp anyway, is that these pickups are okay on some crunch and some grunt, but not overly overdriven. Doesn't really feel very happy about it. And my general thoughts on the way it sounds, it's funny, you know, when I had this last time, loved it. I'm trying to remember where I sold it now. I'm sure if I think hard enough I can remember. But one of the things about the pickups, having had my Squier, I had my Squier Classic Vibe Strat recently with single coils. The neck pickup on this sounds really nice and smooth, but it sounds, I know they're different guitars, but it sounds even nicer on the Classic Vibe as single coils go. But yeah, just a reminder really that where it's how they're wound or the types of pickups they are, I don't know, but obviously some single coils are better or can just deal with frequencies in different ways better than others. So this is being sold. This is being sold because, not that I play loads of high gain stuff, as you know if you watched any one of the videos, but it's nice to have the option to go a bit higher gain and not have the amplifier just sound like it's farting at you and the pickup's not dealing with it very well. It might just be my amp, might be the way it's set up, but that is just the way it is. I'm not changing the amp. I did go back to a Blackstar V2 recently, which was a funny one because I had that Blackstar V2 for ages. I've had 5 of them actually. Well, I've had 2 10 watts and 3 20 watts. Keep going back to them, but actually compared to the Vox, it's just a non-contest. I know they're different kinds of amps, but Christ, I played with that for ages, that Blackstar, and thought it sounded all right. Doesn't really, not compared to this. But yeah, so there you go. I think the pickups sound good enough for what they are. My experience, as I've just mentioned, super high gain is not where it's at, just some crunchy stuff is good. The pickups all sound, you know, adequately different. Tone knob on this one's not so good. On my last one, I'm sure the tone knob was a bit more responsive, so if that's important to you, that's maybe just something to mention. Neck feels lovely on this, and yeah, let me know what you think if you've got one. So it's my 3rd one of these now. I've had TE-20s as well, TE-30. What else have I had? I've had loads of Harley Bentons. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you've got this far, well done you.